we are starting with the chapter Lines and Angles for the class 9th, and this is the lecture number 1. Now in this lecture or in this chapter, we'll deal with the angles and the lines. Now, the first topic is linear pair axiom. Now what is a linear pair axiom? If the sum of the two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then their side other than the common side make a line, that is a plus b is equal to 180 degrees. Suppose this we have a straight line and these are the two adjacent angles. In the sum of these two angle is equal to 180 degree, then this is known as the linear pairs. Or conversely, we can say that if the sum of two angles or the sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree, then it will be a straight line. So it can be more than two angles, more than two adjacent angles. Let us say one angle A, angle B, and if we draw another angle and let that angle be C, then the sum of three angles, that is A plus B plus C, is equal to 180 degree. Now after that we have vertically opposite angles. Now what are the two vertical opposite angles? Suppose two lines intersect each other, then the opposite angles with a common vertex is known as the vertically opposite angles, and they are equal to each other. That is, angle AOC will be equal to angle DOB, and angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. These vertically opposite angles will be equal, like this. Now we can easily prove them that they are equal. The sum of these two angles, that is AOC plus angle BOC, is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, angle BOC plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree because they are linear pairs. Now because the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree, so we can equate these two, that is angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to angle BOC plus angle BOD. We can make them equal. Now because these are two same angles, angle BOC and BOC, so we can cancel out, that is angle AOC will be equal to angle BOD. Similarly, we can prove that angle AOD will be equal to angle BOC. So these are the two theorems, we can say that, or rather the axiom, the linear pair axiom. We cannot prove it. It is a straight line, then the sum of all angles or adjacent angle will be equal to 180 degree. And the vertically opposite angle, we had proved that when the two lines intersect each other at an O, that these two angles and the pair of these two angles is known as the vertical opposite angles, and they are equal to each other. Now based on these two properties, we can do all the questions of the exercise 6.1. In question number 1 of exercise 6.1, it is given that the figure, it is given that this angle is equal to 40 and the sum of these two angles is equal to given, which is equal to 70. It is given in the question, and you have to find the angle BOC. Now this angle you have to find, and the reflex angle COE. Now which is the reflex angle COE? Now you have to find this angle COE, reflex angle, this you have to find. This is known as the reflex angle AOC. Now to find the reflex angle AOC, we can easily find the angle COE and subtract from 360 degree. You will get the reflex angle, and you know that what is the reflex angle? An angle which is more than 180 degree and less than 360 is known as the reflex angle. So the proof of this, you have to write like this: what is given in the question, what you have to find, and the proof you have to give. Now we'll start with angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 70. It is given that the sum of these two angles is equal to 70 degree, and angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. It is given that they are vertical opposite angles. So this angle and this angle will be equal, that is they are vertically opposite angles. The reason you have to write in the each and every step. Now when you replace the value of AOC, you will get the angle BOD. 70 minus 40 will be the angle BOE. Now you have to find the reflex angle COE. So first of all you find the angle COE. Now because the sum of these three angles, this angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree because they are forming the linear pair. So how can you find the angle COE? If you subtract the sum of these two angles, which is equal to 70 from 180, you will get the angle COE. So angle COE will be equal to 180 minus angle AOC plus angle BOE. If you subtract this, means if you subtract the sum of these two angles from 180 degree, you will get the angle COE. So that I have done it here. So it is 110 degree. This angle COE is equal to 110. So what will be the reflex angle COE? If you subtract this angle 110 from 360, you will get the reflex angle COE. This is the reflex angle COE. This is. So whenever you are doing the questions based on geometry, you have to write in the first step what is given, then you find you have to write what you have to prove or what you have to find, and the proof you have to write. In the left hand side you have to write the statement, in the right hand side you have to give the reasons of the statement you have done. Now in question number 2 of this exercise, it is a good question. In the figure it is given that there is a line OP is perpendicular to XY, and there is a line segment OB which is making an angle of A and B, and it is given that A and B are in the ratio 2:3. It is given 2:3 is given, and angle POY, that is angle POY is equal to 90. POY is equal to 90. So therefore you know that then the angle POX will be equal to 90. Now it is given that A is to B is equal to 2:3. Now you have to find the angle C. This angle C you have to find. This angle C you have to find. So whenever the ratio is given, you can let that angle A is equal to 2x and angle B is equal to 3x. This. Now because angle POX is equal to 90, this POX is equal to 90, therefore the sum of A plus B will be equal to 90. So A plus B is equal to 90. Now we have let that A is equal to 2x, B is equal to 3x. It will equal to 90. By solving this, you will get the value of x is equal to 18. Then the angle A will be equal to 2 into 18 and angle B will be equal to 3 into 18. This is the value of angle A. This is the value of angle B. Now you have to find the angle C. Now how can you find angle C? Because B plus C is equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair. So C will be obtained by subtracting angle B from 180 degree. This is C is equal to 180 minus B. This is the linear pair. So the value of angle C is equal to 126. So because the ratio between A and B is given, so we have let angle A is equal to 2x, angle B is equal to 3x, and because the sum of these two angles is equal to 90, you can let equal to 90, that is A plus B is equal to 90. Replace the value of angle A, that is 2x, angle B is equal to 3x. Now you can easily find the value of x. Now if you replace this x here, A and B, you will get the angle A and B, and if you subtract angle B from 180 degree, because the sum of B plus C is equal to 180 degree, they are forming the linear pair, you will get the value of angle C. Now in question number 3, there is a triangle is given in which it is given that these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal, it is given. Now you have to prove that these exterior angles PQS is equal to angle PRT. You have to prove that these angles are equal. So again you have to start like that. Angle what is given in this, that these two angles are equal. It is given that these two angles are equal, and you have to prove that these two angles is equal to they are equal to each other. Now it is an easy question. Now it is given that the sum of these two, you know that the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree, and the sum of these two angles is also equal to 180 degree. That is angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to 180 degree. They are forming the linear pair. Similarly, angle PRT plus angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree because they are also forming the linear pair. You have to write the reason, because the sum of these two angles and these two angles is equal to 180 degree. So you can equate them up. You can equate them like this. Now, which angles are equal here? From step number, what is given here? Angle PQS, that is this angle, and PRQ, that is this angle. They are equal to each other. So you can cancel out this. You can cancel out. So you'll get angle POR is equal to angle PRT, which you have to prove. You have to give the reason why I have written there, because angle POR, this angle and this angle are equal. Oh, sorry, this angle PQR and angle PRQ, they are equal to each other. Therefore, PQS will be equal to PRT, this angle. So this exercise is based on the lines and angles. Rather, in this exercise, we have used the proper axiom, that is the linear pair. That is the linear pair. The angles, adjacent angles, whose sum is equal to 180 degree, are known as the linear pairs. Now, we'll discuss the remaining question of this exercise in the next lecture. Thank you.